That's no good to me. Okay, I received this box some time ago. I've already opened it up and you can see I'm just trying to repackage it, and I'm not doing a good job of it. But anyway, let's just open it up and pretend I'm opening it up for the first time. Very nice bag. Wow. Let's get rid of that. That is in pristine condition. Something very special in this one. All original documentation there. Very nice overall. How's that for stickers? So let's fire it up. If I know how to fire it up. Okay. Okay, let's turn it on. Can you hear that beautiful sound? That's the hard disk starting up. So just to confirm, this equals that. Alright, so I had an unboxing teaser. As you saw, this will go into the machine in a little bit more detail. Now, I purchased this approximately a year and a half ago, and I paid good money for it. But I really wanted one with the Sonnet card in it, and this had quite a few things inbuilt into the machine. That's the brightness button there, it's as much as it can go. There's a standard PowerBook 1400 CS. I don't know what the original specs were. I probably could find out maybe by the serial number. As you can see there, it says powered by Sonnet, and it's exactly what it is in here. It's a 200 MHz PowerPC G3 card in a PowerBook 1400 CS. Now, they are apparently a little bit hard to get. I checked for the card themselves on eBay, and then this machine complete with the card in it wasn't that much more, so I purchased it and then got it shipped from Canada to Australia and paid all duties and taxes and shipping. It does have a 52 meg card in it, plus the original 8 equals a total of 60 megabyte. That's quite decent. It's running macOS 8.6 as well. It's even got a decent size hard drive in it, which is 775 megabyte. So I'm guessing it's an 800 meg drive. That's not too bad. So it has been fully spec'd out. As you can see there, it's macOS 8.6 with 60 megabytes installed. So it looks like a fresh install of OS 8.6. I don't think there will be anything too spectacular on it. Then again, I'm wrong. Ooh, so Prince of Persia does not run on this mode. Let's switch that to 256 colors. I have not played this for a very long time. It shows. Okay, I fell down. there you go, that's how bad I am. As you can see there, it's all running okay. It does have a few games on here, which is great. So this is the power cord that came with it, and obviously it's not good to me here in Australia because that's a US or Canadian or some Asian power cord, so I'll probably throw this out or convert it to an Australian power cord and just use another one for now. Let's shut this down. Oops. So as mentioned before, it's actually in pretty good nick overall. So it's got the floppy drive module here. Doesn't come with the CD-ROM module, but I might have one of those floating about. The side is in pretty good nick. The little infrared port on the front here is missing. Again, I might have one spare somewhere. Let's have a look here. Stock standard ports, there's no extra card that's in there, and I've forgotten what actually goes in there. It's just blank at the moment. I might be able to fill that, but it's just got the stock standard SCSI, ADB and serial port. It is a little bit broken here on one of the clutch covers. We should be able to fix that up again. And on this side it all looks pretty good overall. I don't think the battery works, but we can actually try and replace that or get a replacement for it of some kind. It does have the removable cover. Clips are okay. I'll see if I can actually find one of the original clear covers and put one of those patterns inside, but I've got to find them though. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. This all goes into my collection. Till next time, bye.